This video is about the machine control panel operation. Please stay tuned with us. Before turn on the machine, please connect the vacuum pump and air compressor. Then press the button to turn on the machine. Then we come to the control panel to press origin button. Then the machine head will move to the machine origin automatically. Transfer the file from computer to control panel by the keyboard and then click drag. Next step is test the cutting depth to check if we could cut through the material. Now we click Y test. From the video, we can see that it did not cut through. Now we click plus button. The value we set is 0.1. Click the direction key to move the head to the cutting origin. Then press Y test again. This time, totally cutting through. It's time to cut. If the testing is no problem, click Absorb key to suck the material on the table. Then move the head with the direction key. Then click Set 0 to set the current head coordinate as orange. Then click Frame to frame out the whole cutting area. Click Other to set the absorbing area. Now click Repeat to start the work. Please like us and subscribe us our channel to see more videos.